Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the read and write speed UFS storage comparison between the Realme GT Master Edition versus Poco X3 Pro device. The Poco X3 Pro, which has got the UFS storage 3.1, and Realme GT Master Edition, which has got the UFS storage only 2.2. Yes friends, only 2.2, there is no 3.1. But let's see with this kind of 2.2, what is the difference between this UFS storage versus 3.1, which is present in the Poco X3 Pro device. Is it any kind of huge difference will it be there, or will it be only normal difference? That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video, and I'll be using these three different applications during this process of demonstration. Let's start with the first application, which is the Android benchmark application. So in this application, there is a special mode which is called the read and write speeds as well testing. So right now you can see which phone has got what type of reads. We'll be able to get to know exactly how much difference it's there actually between this UFS storage 2.2 versus 3.1. As you can see friends, 42,000 overall score versus 44,000. That's not a huge difference, right? Only 2,000 difference is there. That's it. Not a huge difference. Let's see. Read speed is 1000 Mbps, 1400 Mbps versus write speed 533 versus 696. Write is really higher in the Realme GT Master Edition. And random access 205, 135, 209, 192. Random access is pretty high. Even though it has got 2.2 versus 3.1, still different results. Let's open different application. Not with one application friends, we'll try to use different applications just to check what's going on with overall read and write speeds, so that we can take an average into consideration comparing these both phones. Right now as you can see, both are pretty good, and we got the results, and here we go. If you want, you can pause this video and you can actually take a look. And sequential write speed is slightly lower. I mean read speed is lower as usual, and write is higher, 706 versus 530. Definitely, as you can see, it's even in this application also showing same results. So read is higher in the Poco X3 Pro, write is higher in the Realme GT Master Edition. Random read and write both are higher in the Realme GT Master Edition. Let's use different application, which is CPDD application. This is another app where you can actually use it to test the speeds, how much this application actually shows. So right now we got the results friends. In case if you want, you can pause this video. And write speed is higher and read is slightly kind of same. Random read and write you can see 30, 23, 23, 19 and 995. So it's kind of mixed results between these both phones, not bad. So UFS storage 3.1 and UFS storage 2.1, there is nothing much huge difference, because this is the old generation UFS storage 3.1, old gen. With the latest generation, there will be huge difference. With the old generation, it is quite equal to the UFS storage 2.2, because this 2.2 is the latest one. So that's the difference friends, you should definitely understand. Meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.